I have been in China for 1 year. Ni hao, da jia hao, wo shi wan, ni men do hao, wo shi lin dan, lai za ba ji sitan. I came to China on a very famous project, 1000 Agricultural Graduates Program of the Prime Minister of Pakistan. This was a famous project between Pakistan and China. I spent 3 months at Northwest Agriculture and Forestry University, and during that period, I developed great interest in China's agricultural system, and I selected to continue my doctoral studies at Northwest Agriculture and Forestry University, and I am so happy to share it with you.
Over 60% of rural households in Pakistan are involved in the livestock industry, yet they face frequent outbreaks of livestock diseases, low productivity, and inadequate incomes for the farmers and rural households. As an official in the federal government of Pakistan, with a focus to agricultural research and development in Islamabad, I have been closely monitoring this issue and hoping to find a solution.
This is my lab of animal reproduction and genetics. It is a key lab of the College of Animal Science and Technology of Northwest A&F University. We work on cattle, sheep and goat to improve their fertility and reproduction. Today my experiment is to analyze the semen of the cattle which we get from the farm to improve and to check its quality and its different parameters, which is very important for good fertility and livestock reproduction. Let's go and start the experiment.
Under the guidance of a mentor, I began focusing on 2 advanced technologies in China: genomic selection and modern reproductive biotechnology. With these techniques, we can use genomic selection and animal reproduction to breed higher quality livestock breeds that are better adapted to various natural environments, thereby increasing farmers' incomes. This is the mission and ultimate goal of my studies in China. In addition to focusing on my studies, I have participated in activities that highlight the unique aspects of Chinese culture. This has given me a deeper understanding of China. China is not only a powerhouse in agricultural technology, its culture is also incredibly rich and profound. I hope to master the Chinese language and gain even more growth and experiences here.
I believe that the knowledge gained from the experiments, from the day-to-day literature review and interaction with my seniors in the laboratory, I can significantly bring some good work to my country, Pakistan.